Welcome to Scented Palette. Today I am going to make Moroccan chicken. I am going to remove excess meat from underneath the chicken breast and flatten it a bit. It has to be marinated for about 20 minutes. I am using a mixture of white and black pepper and some salt. A little bit of thyme and oregano. 1/4 teaspoon Tabasco sauce. 1/2 teaspoon mustard. The nutritional value and related information pertaining to this dish can be seen in the description box. Now the other side. Oregano and thyme. Again 1/4 teaspoon Tabasco sauce. The difference here is 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1/4 teaspoon mustard. Black and white pepper mix. Salt. 1 clove of crushed garlic. The underside of the chicken is more absorbent, therefore do not slack in marination on this side. I am preparing a substitute of sambal oelek with 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Some black pepper. 1 clove of garlic crushed into a rough paste. Grains of salt, turn it into a paste very quickly. Characteristic taste of Moroccan sauce comes from sambal oelek, but it is not available in every region. So this is a substitute of sambal oelek which can easily be made at home. For the remaining prep of Moroccan sauce, we need 2 finely chopped cloves of garlic. 1 medium onion finely chopped. Use red or pink onions as white ones become a mush. You can use any vegetables for the sides. I'm using carrots and onion rings. Prep is complete, so let's start with the chicken. Heat up some oil in your pan. Place the chicken in your pan with silky side up first. Cook until you see the edges turning white from above. It will take about 5 to 6 minutes. I've used more oil because I intend to make the vegetables in this oil as well. Sizzling has calmed down, so now it's time to check and turn it over. Now we will increase the heat a little and cook the silky side for just 2-3 minutes to give it grill marks and to cook the 10-15% remaining on this side. That oil became unusable, so I am going to use a fresh pan. Place your vegetables in a little bit of oil and season them with salt. Make them tender enough to bring out their sweetness, but do not cook them through. For the Moroccan sauce, heat up the oil and add onions and garlic. My friend loved Moroccan chicken from this restaurant, but unfortunately their chef left and it wasn't the same anymore. So my friend asked me to recreate their Moroccan chicken and to create the best mashed potatoes that I can think of. Add half a cup of chicken stock. I added water because I am going to use chicken cube instead. Now add half cup milk. One tablespoon sambal oil. It needs 1 more teaspoon of sambal oil. 1 teaspoon chili garlic sauce. One-fourth teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon thyme. 1/4 teaspoon oregano. Scoop out a few spoonfuls of this in a separate bowl. Mix 2 tablespoons of heavy cream in this bowl. Do not mix the cream directly in the pan or it will split. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of this mixture. Make corn slurry of 1 teaspoon corn flour mixed in 2 tablespoons of water to thicken the sauce. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice towards the end to lift up any heaviness that may have been caused by the cream, and of course it tastes nice. Last step is to make the silkiest, the smoothest, and the tastiest mashed potatoes that you have ever eaten. Boil 1 potato until it is very soft and then pass it through a sieve. Add 4 tablespoons of whole milk. 1 teaspoon heavy cream, salt, pepper, and some Italian seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of any neutral oil. Mix it on medium heat until all the seasonings have blended and the milk has dried up. Let's plate up. Oh, I forgot the onion rings. Now I will finish up the plating with mashed potatoes and show you the final look.